Welcome guys. So today we'll look into a good set of 4-set Venn diagram question, a little different and a bit calculative too. As usual, the link of the question is there in the description section. So attempt this question and then watch the video solution. Now let's start. XYZ Art Society offers course in vocal singing in 4 streams. So 4-set Venn diagram: Thumri, Ghazal, Bhajan and Qawwali. Now let's see the first point. It says that only Thumri and Qawwali are taught at the same time. So no one can enroll in both of these courses. Second point says that in all 100 students enroll in exactly 2 courses. So exactly 2 ka value is 100. Fine. Now what is the third point? The number of the students who are enrolled in exactly 1 course is less than the number of students enrolled in exactly 3 courses, which is in turn less than the number of students enrolled in exactly 2 courses. So simply exactly 1 is less than exactly 3, and which is in turn less than exactly 2. Fine. Now fourth point says that the number of the student enrolled in only Thumri is same as the number of students enrolled in only Ghazal, which is in turn same as the number of students enrolled in only Bhajan. Okay, so let's make a 4-set Venn diagram, and each of the information will try to put each of the information in the diagram. Okay, so let's make a 4-set Venn diagram. So we know how we represent 4-set Venn diagram. So let it be Thumri, this complete for Thumri, this is for Ghazal, this is for Bhajan and Qawwali. Fine. So again, reiterating from the first point, only Thumri and Qawwali are taught at the same time. So only Thumri and Qawwali are taught at the same time, and we know that no people can enroll in a stream which are taught at the same time. So what is the region of only Thumri and Qawwali? This complete region is of only Thumri and Qawwali. So the value in this region would be 0. Fine. Now we have seen this point. Okay, let's see the fourth point. It says the number of people enrolled in only Thumri is same as the number of people enrolled in only Ghazal, which is in turn same as the number of people enrolled in only Bhajan. So let's name each of them. So let it be A and A. Now fifth point says that the number of the students not enrolled in Thumri and the number of people not enrolled in Ghazal. So not enrolled. So this is nothing but T dash is to G dash is to B dash. These are in the ratio of 4:3:1. Fine. So we'll look into it later. Now sixth point says that the number of the students enrolled in Qawwali is 30, and they all are enrolled in exactly 3 courses. Okay. So number of people in Qawwali altogether is 30. So let it be 30, and they are all enrolled in exactly 3 courses. So in Qawwali, what is the region of exactly 3 courses which is remaining? This is complete Qawwali. So the region of exactly 3 courses which is remaining is this, and that will be 30. So it means that everything else would be 0. Now let's see the 7th point. It says that number of the students enrolled in exactly 1 course is less than the number of the students enrolled in Qawwali, and we know altogether 30 students are enrolled in Qawwali. Now what are the number of the students enrolled in exactly 1 course? A and A. So it says nothing but 3A is less than 30, right? That is what it's saying. 3A is less than 30. Now let's see each of the region. What is the region of exactly 2 which is remaining? These are the region of exactly 2, right? B, C and D, and the value of B, C and D is what? 100. So let's write whatever we can, information that we can make it out or make equation. So B, C, D, which is the region, it is 100, and what is remaining is this region. So this region is of exactly 3 region, or exactly 3 region is this region and this region. So we know that number of people in exactly 3 region is less than the number of people in exactly 2 region, this equation. Okay, so if we write 30 plus E is less than 100, so it is in fact giving that value of E is nothing but less than 70. It has to be less than 70. Now we have to write more equation. Let's use this. We have not used this. So which are not enrolled in TUMRI. So not enrolled in TUMRI is remaining this. So that is nothing but 2a plus d plus 30. So if we write for not enrolled in TUMRI, that is 2a plus d plus 30 is nothing but 4x. Similarly, not enrolled in Ghazal, it is a, b and then a. So that is nothing but 2a plus b equals to 3x. Similarly, not enrolled in Bhajan. So not enrolled in Bhajan is 2a plus c. So 2a plus c equals to x. Okay. Now let's sum this up. If we sum this up, we'll get 6 times of a, d plus b plus c plus 30 equals to 8x. Okay. So this will make it to 6a, d plus b plus c, we know it is 100 and this is 130 equals to 8x. Okay. As we are just talking about number of people, so nothing can be in fraction, right? Everything has to be in integral value, a positive integral value. Okay. Now we can have one more equation. That equation can be formed by summing up every number of students in this diagram, and that summation would equal to 220. So let's quickly do that. We have 3a plus b plus c plus d plus e and plus 30, this 30, that will make it to 220. Now so we know the value of b plus c plus d, we know this 30. So this is nothing but 3a plus e, 130, if we subtract, that would be 90. Fine. So that is that's all, you know, these are the equations that we can find. That is 3a has to be less than 30, 3a plus e equals to 90, value of e has to be less than 70, and 6a plus 130 has to be multiple of. Now by seeing these limitations, because I have 3a, I have e, and we have an equation of 3a plus e equals to 90, let's try to see what are the possible integral values. So if 3a or 3a has to be less than 30, and as it is a multiple of 3, so that number would be a multiple of 3 and the least number available is 27. So I mean to say that if a equals to 9, what would be the value of e? What would be the value of e? That would be 63. Fine. And this is less than 70, that is completely fine. And this equation, is it a multiple of 8? 6a would make it to how much? 54, and 130 plus 54 is 184 divided, okay, yeah, that is a multiple of 8. So this is a possible solution, that value of a equals to 9 and e equals to 63. Now what if 3a is 24 and a equals to 8? Now if a equals to 8, value of e would be 66, that is within the limit. Now let's see if this is a multiple of 8 or not. If this is 48 and 130 plus 48 is 178, 178, is it a multiple of 8? No, it is not a multiple of 8. So we cannot have any other solution. So we cannot have this. Now we can see that we are going to exceed the value of 70. So on the another number would be value of a is 7, and then the value of e would be 69. But is it giving? Let's see. 7 6 are 42 and 130, so that will make it to 172. Is it a multiple of 8 or 12? No, it is not a multiple of 8. Fine. So this solution will also be not possible. Now if I take a equals to 6, value of e would be 72, which would exceed. So the only possible value of a and e combination that we are getting is that a equals to 9 and e equals to 63. Now if we know the value of a, we know the value of e, we can find all the values, and in fact we can answer all the question. Now let's see. So when a equals to 9, what is the value of x that we get? A equals to 9, this will make it to 150, 184, 184 by 8, that is nothing but 23. Now a equals to 9, so c would equals to 5. If we know the value of c, okay, we cannot find anything. Let's find the value of b. So 2a 18, 3x would be 69, so value of b would be 51. So let's put it over here, 51 this would be 5, this would be 9, this would be 9. Now value of E we know that is 63. Now we need to find the value of D. Now A equals to 18, this is 48, and this is 92. So E, that is D equals to 44. Now let's answer how many number of people are there in bhajan. So this is 30 plus 51 is 81, 81 plus 63 is 144, 144 plus 44 is 188, 188 plus 9 is 197. Number of the students enrolled in exactly one singing stream. So that is nothing but 9 plus 9 plus 9, that is 27. How many students are enrolled in both Ghazal and Thumri? Ghazal and Thumri. So this is, that is 63 plus 5, that makes it to 68. Now how many students did not enroll in Thumri? That was 4x, and value of x is 23. So answer to this is 92. So this is an easy question, not an easy, but you need to have the concept of the regions and how to draw the 4-set Venn diagram and accordingly solve the equation. That's it. Thank you.